You either a big dog or you ain't. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's it gonna be, babe? I'm kind of one of the OG baldies, but my hair is weak in the knees, honey. She's weak in the knees. This video goes out to all my baby mamas, okay? Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. And I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the Platinum Pixie party, baby. And if you are not new here, welcome back, friend. I'm so glad to see you again, okay? First things first, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the family, friend, because you're gonna love it here. And second of all, you're gonna be back, okay? So just hit the button. It's free, it don't cost you nothing. Now that we got that out the way, now that we're in a committed relationship, we can move forward, okay? Today's video is all about platinum blonde hair, okay? All of my platinum pixie babes, this video is for you. This video goes out to all my baby mamas, okay? My reason for filming this video is for obvious reasons. Like, every time I post a blonde hair video, y'all have so many questions, so many concerns with bleaching your hair. Like, there's always the same questions over and over and over again, and y'all, I will answer them over and over in the comments. I really will. I don't mind. I answer them all, but I just thought it would be easier for y'all if I just put out an in-depth video answering all your questions so your curiosity can be no more. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get into the most frequently asked questions about my blonde hair. Question number one, the question that I get the absolute most, is my hair relaxed? Do you relax your hair? Do you have a perm in your hair? Is it okay to perm my hair if I have platinum hair? If I perm my hair, will my blonde hair lay down better? Any type of variation of that question, the answer is no. The answer is hell no. The answer is no, okay? Like, do not relax your hair if you have icy platinum hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes people with like honey blonde hair, if you go into a salon, some people may have a relaxer and have highlights or something. But if you are bleaching your hair to this level of platinum, do not put a relaxer in your hair. Your hair will fall out. Let me say that again. Do not bleach your hair this bright and relax your hair. Your hair will fall out. Your hair will be no more. Your hair will be in the sink. Your hair will fall out, okay? So no, I do not have a relaxer in my hair. My hair is simply just bleached. Like, my hair is natural. I do not have a relaxer. This is my natural hair. I just have lightened the color. I basically took all the color off, okay? The reason people are asking me this question though brings me to my second question that I get so much, is how do you get your hair to lay so slick and so sleek if you don't have a relaxer? I get why y'all think it will be relaxed, because it is kind of giving like creamy crack, but the most simple answer is that my hair is damaged AF, okay? Like, if I did not bleach my hair, I would have a little fro. Like, if you watch my vlogs, then girl, you've been seeing how my hair has been looking lately, and that's my natural curl pattern. Like, that's my natural hair. It's a little fro, but when I bleach it, the bleach basically damages my hair and loosens my curl pattern. That's the real answer. That's the short answer. The long answer, that's the answer, girl. My hair damaged, so it's straight. So that's how it lays down so slick. And I get a lot of comments saying that, you know, no matter how much I bleach my hair still curls up, it's still curly, it won't lay down. Girl, honestly, count yourself blessed, because that means your hair is strong as hell, okay? If your hair can go through being bleached multiple rounds to get to this bright, and your hair is still holds a healthy, juicy curl, then baby, that just means your hair is healthy and it can't be broken. It's got the armor of the Lord wrapped around it, you know what I'm saying? But my hair is weak in the knees, honey. She's weak in the knees. As soon as I hit that second round of bleach, my curls just go kaput, okay? So that's how I'm able to lay my hair so flat and so sleek. So I guess it's a blessing and a curse. Like, your hair is strong, getting stronger gel products like Gorilla Snot gel, something that's like stronger than Eco Gel. So that's the reason. What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
That was the reason. My hair is just damaged, y'all. Now I just literally bleached my hair today, so it's laying its flattest. But once my natural hair color grows back in some, it will start to have a little more curl to it. But that's when it'll be time for a root retouch, because I don't really like salt and pepper roots. I prefer the full look. If y'all don't know, when you bleach your hair this bright, you're basically just stripping your hair of all of its natural color. I did not deposit any color back onto my hair. I literally just stripped my hair of any type of pigment that it had. So this is just the bare hair follicle basically. Which is why it can cause a lot of damage, because girl, your hair naked, like, you took it through a lot. You basically brought through all this trauma to get it this bright, and now she's tired, so she's just gonna lay there. She's in her soft curl era, and that's why she's so limp, straight, and slickable. Okay. Another question that I get is, how do you prevent breakage or thinning, especially in regards to like root retouches? So I'm a person that, like I said, I don't like for my black roots to come through and be too long, because it starts to just look gray instead of white with black roots. Once the black roots grow in quite a bit, it just looks kind of like a gray color, and I don't really like that. So I tend to do my root retouches fairly soon. And honestly, y'all, I have not found a way to prevent breakage with doing a root retouch. To get my roots caught up to this blonde is basically like just gonna be burnt out. Like, it's gonna be no more. So that's why you get the breakage, because it's just the ends are over bleached and they'll just fall out. I have not found a way to prevent that. I'm still looking for a way. Now, what I do sometimes is just let it grow out, and then I'll just let the ends fall off. So it's kind of like giving myself a haircut. That's just the way I look at it. Or you can really just cut your hair before you do your bleaches. Like, when it's time for a root retouch, just trim off your ends and start from scratch. But now if you're trying to maintain length, that's when that gets tricky. Me personally, like, I like mine this length. I can also like it longer. Like, I'm pretty versatile with how I like to wear mine. But typically, if I want to wear mine longer, I'm just gonna grow my black hair out as long as I can and then bleach it all at once, because I don't want the breakage. Because even if it doesn't break in some parts, it can break in another section, and then you just looking uneven and you looking dusty, and you're not that cute. You know what I'm saying?
Because you're not that cute, and your hair is uneven. You look dusty.
So I have not found a way to prevent that, but I did try a new bleaching method today. They say that it's supposed to prevent some breakage, so I will give y'all an update on that later, and check out the video on the hack that I used. So yeah, we'll see if that really works. I don't know. Another question that I always get, of course, is what bleach do I use? What's my preferred bleach, preferred toners, all of the things. And if you're not new here, then you already know my go-to bleach. I have tried many bleaches over the years, because I'm gonna be real with y'all, like, I'm kind of one of the OG baldies, one of the OG blondies, okay? Because I have been bleaching my hair for like nearly a decade, okay? I remember I started bleaching my hair, it's been at least 7 years since I started bleaching my hair, something like that. So I have tried tons of bleaches by now, okay? Of course, I've tried the Quick Blue, I've tried the BW2, I've tried, girl, what's some of the other ones? The Kaleidoscope. Like, I've tried many brands. Anything that you can get at Sally's, I've probably tried it. I also really like the professional ones. So I love Blondor. I also love Blonde Me. Those two are really good. Now, Blonde Me is my favorite by Schwarzkopf. I don't know how to say it, but that one. And y'all know the one I'm talking about if you watch any of my blonde videos, the one with the gold label. All these products I'm mentioning will be linked down in the description box. They're also linked in my Amazon storefront under all the blonde essentials. That's my go-to. That's my favorite. It gets my hair the lightest, the quickest, and it smells really good. Don't be going to sniff your bleach, but like, if you bleach your hair before, then you know what I'm talking about, because like BW2 and like Quick Blue, like they just stink. Like they don't smell good. They be flying everywhere. Like it be a dust storm when you bleaching your hair. It's just no good, you know what I'm saying? But you spend a little bit more money, you get better quality, you know what I'm saying? So that particular bleach smells really, really good. I also really like the Blondor. Now I have not used that one in a really long time. It's in like a blue bucket. I might need to cop that again because I really did like that one. That's the one I was using for a good while, but then I saw the Blonde Me one on somebody's Instagram page and I was like, oh, that look good. I will link all of them down below. Now a couple of them are typically at like a professional store, but they do sell them on Amazon. So now, disclaimer, I have never purchased it off of Amazon, but a lot of my subscribers have, and they say it's good quality, they like it. So purchase at your own risk, but I will say a lot of people have had it. So if you've bought the Blonde Me bleach before from Amazon, comment down below to give all the girlies a little peace of mind. Let them know your review on it, how you liked it from Amazon. But I personally get it from the Cosmoprof store. Let me just say this, like I said, I am not licensed. I just know somebody licensed, okay? So if you got a homegirl, like, you ain't get it from me, you ain't hear it from me, you know what I'm saying? But you catch my drift. So I also get the question so much, how often do I bleach my hair? So that's a tricky question. That's not really a straightforward answer because it's really just about when I feel like it. If you do your root retouch, more than likely your hair is gonna break off. So I just try to kind of prolong that as long as I can to get as much new growth as I can. So that way when the old bleach breaks, I still have enough new growth to replenish it, if that makes sense. So I would say a good range is anywhere from like 4 to 6 weeks is how long I wait, but that also depends on how quickly your hair grows, how much new growth you can handle, if you got anywhere to go that week. Because honestly, if I'm on week 4 or if I'm on week 6 and I don't have anything planned that week and I don't have nowhere to go, I don't really care about looking cute that week, I'll wait another week. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like to save my bleaches for if I got something to do, so it'll be real fresh. The best answer I can give you is anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, so some other questions I get are, do I shampoo in between bleaches? And me personally, I usually do. Like when I wash out my first round of bleach, I wash it out with shampoo typically. And for one, I do that to make sure all of the bleach is out of my hair. And for two, I do that to kind of tone in the process, because if you're gonna bleach your hair, you need to use purple shampoo. So purple shampoo will kind of tone the hair, tone out some of the brassiness, because your hair will be yellow on your first round. And I don't like yellow blonde on me. I want my blonde to be cocaina, you know what I'm saying? I use a toning shampoo in the process. Those were the two main reasons that I would shampoo in between bleaching, but I recently learned that you're not supposed to do that, and you don't really have to do that. And like I said, y'all, I'm not a professional, so I'm learning as I'm going as well. So I learned it, and today when I bleached my hair, I did not shampoo in between, and my results were fine, you know what I'm saying? So I just shampooed at the end, and you know, I did a couple rounds of shampoo. So I also get a lot of questions about how I style my hair, what I use to style my hair, and I literally today recorded a styling video on how I got the kind of waves and swirls. I use gel, I use like holding spray, anything that you like that's gonna hold your hair down. Like everybody's hair is different. When my hair gets this straight, I don't have to use too many products, but if your hair still has a lot of curl to it, then you'll need to use some strong gel, okay? But I will have all the products linked. I also get a lot of questions about, does it burn? Like, how do you leave your hair on that long? Why are you combing through the bleach? Like, that's gonna burn. You're not supposed to comb through bleach. Just different things like that. And y'all, honestly, I would say I have a pretty high tolerance for, I ain't gonna say pain, but like my scalp is not very sensitive. I don't really have sensitive skin and a sensitive scalp, so my hair doesn't burn often, but if it does, I just thug through it, because you either a big dog or you ain't, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's it gonna be, babe? So I honestly just tough through it. If it burns, I just pray and ask the Lord to lift it up off of me and help me make it through my session, you know what I'm saying? Because we got to get the desired color, you know what I'm saying? There's just no way around it. So yeah, try not to scratch your head before you bleach your hair, because if you do that, then it is gonna burn. But me personally, I was scratching my head kind of quite a bit the past couple days, and when I bleached my hair today, it didn't burn at all. But check out my girl Danae's channel, because she just tried out a hack to prevent the burning, and she said that it worked. So check out her channel. Her name is D Wood. Yes ma'am. Just find you a community of your favorite blonde baldies and make, you know, basically like a melting pot of all their tips, tricks, and all the things, and you'll get your desired results. Somebody asked, how do I make my hair look so shiny? Honestly, y'all, I guess it's the products that I use, and probably the lighting that I have on me while I'm filming is probably just reflecting off of that. And I mean, my hair is white, so it's like light on white is automatically gonna kind of reflect some type of shine. So I don't do anything special. Like, I don't use any shining products necessarily, but you know, like some hair products naturally create a sheen on your hair. So I would just say, if you want like a really glossy finish, get you some products that are specifically made to give your hair some shine. Like, I know there are a lot of like spritz products and things like that, oils and things that will give you kind of like a glossy look. So just try that. But I don't use anything in particular to make my hair shine. It's just, I'm just blessed, okay? No, I'm just playing. I also get the question on who cuts my hair, and what cut I ask for like the particular length that I have. And honestly, y'all, like, I cut my own hair. A lot of times I'll just shave my hair off and start from scratch, and just when it grows to a certain point, then I'll bleach it. So I do not go to the barbershop. The barbershops are kind of scary to me. I just got a pair of clippers and I just cut my hair myself. I'll use like the 1 guard on them and just go to work. If I don't shave it down completely, I'll just use it to like even it out. And honestly, I can't teach you how to cut your hair, girl, because I don't know what I be doing. But I would say use the 1 guard or the 2 guard. You know, start slow, so you don't just F your hair up. But anyway, I don't get my hair cut professionally. I have in the past, of course, but when I wear my hair blonde, I don't. I just do it myself, or I just let it grow and just wear the length that it naturally becomes. Hopefully I covered all of your questions. Well, at least the main questions that I get a lot. If I missed any questions, definitely feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I will make a part 2 if it turns out to be a whole lot of questions that I missed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps somebody. Don't forget to check the description box for all of the details, all of the products, all of the things, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace and love.